Hello everyone! In this video, let's talk about music and the vibe of the video. Okay, let's look at the first video clip. Wow, these girls are so beautiful. I want to find some upbeat music for the background track. There are so many great music genres to choose from. Pop would work well for this clip. This one's not quite right. This one doesn't fit either. Maybe something scenic would work well. Let me see. Alright, it has a great rhythm. Wow, I love this. Just perfect. Now let's look at the second clip. Wow, this video is so heartwarming. Let me find something. I think a country music will work here. Let me listen to this one first. Yeah, that's so fitting. I'll add this one and take a look. So that's how you pick the right music to match your video. First, get a sense of the style and mood of the clip. Is it trendy, sentimental, cool, or something else? Then browse BoolVideo's copyright-free music library to select the right tracks. If you think this is interesting, just go to BoolVideo to have a try.